What's up, team? So I'm going on a hike tomorrow to Gurtnellen, which is a place somewhere in Switzerland. I don't really know where it is, but I'll share the route in the Komoot Link. It was supposed to be a 2-day trip. We were supposed to hike up and then stay at one of the hutas up there and then come back down the next day. But because the following day the weather is terrible, it's really cold and it's raining, people decided that we were gonna do a 1-day trip instead. So, pack light, this is what we got here. Long sleeve shirt. I think it's still gonna be relatively cold. Weather forecast is around 10, so long sleeve shirt. Rain jacket, just in case it rains. It doesn't look like it's going to, but just in case, and in the morning, it might give me a little bit of warmth. Hiking pants, or some people call it Arbeitshose, working pants, but whatever you want to call this. Change of clothes right here. When I come back, I don't want to be sweaty in the car. Walking shoes from Decathlon. Nice thick socks. Handy old 1.25 water bottle.
That's a must.
That's a must for show. Avalon sunglasses, Swiss Army knife, which my dad gave me a long time ago. Flashlight in case we get late. iPhone charger, wallet, tripod, drone. Hoping to be able to get some nice shots of Gurtnellen tomorrow. Right, let's pack this up and let's get going. Spare clothes going into a plastic bag in the car, ready for when we come back. Early tomorrow morning. It's gonna be early morning. Probably wake up around 5:30, I think. Get some breakfast in, get a coffee in, and then head over to the starting point. It's about 5:45 a.m. right now. Let's get some breakfast and lunch going. I think we're good to go.
Also Hauptpaket. Ja, jetzt nicht. Die Tüte gar nicht, oder? Ja. Und auch nicht. Oh, der kann wieder nicht was machen. Das ist auch ausgezogen, ich kann wieder nicht. Ja, ja.
Heading to Arnisee. It's pretty empty though. Dude, check out this place. Middle of a forest. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Boom. And that's the Alps right there. Not too bad. Not too bad. Oh, we're really getting up there. It's just been uphill for the last like half hour. Probably done 200, maybe 300 elevation. Oh, bang. Come on. Check that.
Steht nie nicht. Die Frauen gehen hoch mit euren Männern. Das waren nur Kinder.
Ist das die Hütte?
Das ist Sonnigrad-Hütte,
Sonnigrad-Hütte. Okay.
aber wir wollen zur Leutschach-Hütte. Siehst du?
Oh, ja, ja, ja.
Da wollen wir hin.
Leutschach-Hütte. 2 Stunden, 10 Minuten.
Ja gut, es gibt beide Wege. Guck. Das ist der normale,
Aha.
weiß, rot, weiß. Und das ist der alpine.
Oh, das ist die schwierige
Genau,
Weg.
weiß, blau, weiß.
Okay.
Ja.
Oder wir können zurückgehen zu Anisee.
Nope.
Aber ich kann euch nicht sagen, ihr dürft nicht gehen. Also
Ja.
schnell.
Ja, aber wir nehmen den Rat gerne an.
Nein, der Gente.
It's a happy dog right there.
Ja, genau.
Sweeter than I thought. Bit of boost of energy, get to the top. Check this, come on. Come on now. The videos don't do it justice, honestly. Alright, let's catch up to the gang. To the foot of the cross.
Oh, jetzt bin ich gerade im Weg. Sorry.
Ja, ist alles gut. Das macht mein Video besser. Yeah, baby. To the foot of the cross. Come on. Come on, man. It doesn't get better than this. At the foot of the cross, on the top of the Alps. Come on. Come on. Hier, Benny. Schau mal, wie viele Uphill wir haben.
Heftig.
What?
Viel zu viel.
Viel zu viel. Man. Das ist ein Berg hier.
Ja.
Ah, komm schon.
Stück für Stück. Schritt für Schritt.
Jawohl. Uphill all day.
Let's do it.
I should take a picture from you and your t-shirt and show it to Heiko.
That's right. That was a hard one. Look at that. Came all that way. I'm out of breath. Thank God for this break.
Ja, aber das ist eine schöne Strecke. Ich muss noch etwas Schweißtropfen ab.
Feels good though. Feels real good. Boom. We're here at the top. Hey, wo ist die Hütte? There, there. Now we're talking. Woo!
Yes!
Yes!
Wow! Wow!
There we go.
Jetzt, miteinander. Tritt.
Krieg ich euch gut stimmen? Ja? Okay, wie viel was jetzt?
Oh my gosh!
Hey!
Kammerlensee.
Oh my goodness. Come on.
Let's go inside.
That's so blue. So blue.
Ja.
That is blue. That is turquoise blue. Alright, last one. Last one of the Niedersee. The lower lake, in other words. Boom. Boom. Check out that waterfall. How's about that? Back to the cable car. Let's go. Time to go home.
Also wieder danke und alles Gute, ja. Auch wenn Sie mit der Konkurrenz arbeiten. Ja.
Ja, doch.
And we're back. Let's roll.
Hier da drüben gibt es noch die alte Burg,